Hey there, how's it going? I'm super excited to share good news with you guys, so watch this video till the end. Yeah, you guessed me right. You're seeing me in an Apple store, and this is my friend's daughter. She's opening the MacBook Air, and I'm super excited to film this video for you, and it's gonna be worth it. Alright, here comes the MacBook Air's box, and I'm super excited again. And look at that, it looks so good on a table in the store. And it's time for some unboxing here. In the meanwhile, let's know the specs. So it's 1 TB storage and 24 GB of RAM. It's super smooth. You can use this for editing purpose, and you can sort of play games. Alright, let's unbox this. So there we go at the top, and now at the bottom. Okay, and let's sort of try to remove it. Just try and remove it. And this has a 15-inch diagonal measuring screen. Okay, and there we go. Beautiful MacBook inside that. Look at that beautiful Mac finish. Look at that glossiness. Look at the cover. Great and welcoming of the laptop for you. You see a lot of things done by Apple. There we go. We have the Apple logo at the back. That is the most important thing for any Apple device, for that matter. The device is starting here. So just after purchase of this laptop, when you open the screen starts on its own, and you see the Apple logo. And this is the wallpaper. We get welcoming messages from different languages, and exciting here for me to unbox. There we go. We have different languages going on there, and just give it a tap or just try to do something, and it'll show you a bunch of options here for you to choose country, your language, and all of that. So it's customizable. It not only looks good, it's also kind of a protection to your laptop at the back. And that's at the bottom. And I'm planning to install another right there behind the screen so that you get some extra protection. It's not going to cost you much, at least in the States, if you know what I'm saying. And let's sort of come right about in here. It's still on, and look at that dynamic island on the laptop. That is the difference. I already had a MacBook from 2019, and it's not performing well. It gave its best when it was working. Also, go ahead and let me know in the comments section if you would like to see specs of MacBook Air, this MacBook Air in particular, and you want to see much more, you want to explore a lot of things about Macs. Do let me know in the comments section, and I'll see that. And I'll do that just for you. Alright, so that's it for this video. I had a lot of time here. Hope you've enjoyed it. Alright, so with this, we conclude here. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time in another tech video for you with a lot of excitement and with a lot of information. Thank you, and bye for now.